Hi Sisam, so ngayon we will have a quick unboxing of this newly delivered natin na Blackpink Born Pink vinyl. So this is the limited edition vinyl and let's check out kung ano yun ang inclusions niya. This is my third vinyl from Blackpink. Yung first ko is yung kay Rosé na solo, yung R. Then yung Lalisa ni Lisa, which is nasa kwarto at hindi ko pa siya na-unbox. And this is our third one. I'm sad that I missed out on the album na first print, yung limited edition. So, after seeing yung quality ng inclusions nun, I made it a point to purchase yung mga sumunod. But, I'm looking to get my hands on yung the album na vinyl soon. But now, let's see kung ano nasa loob nito. First, let's take the lid off. Ayan. So, it has this pull tab. Ayan. The cork. We have this. Like, when you're handling it. Wala akong vinyl player. Like, I buy just to collect. It's not something I'm exploring yet. Because I know it's a rabbit hole. And as someone who loves different kinds of music, mapapagastos tayo. So, isa-isahin lang muna natin. So, we have here the group postcard. Ito. Lisa's postcard. So may label sa likod eh. So Lisa, I think wallpaper ko to sa PC. Shoot na yan. And Rosé. Jenny's picture. And Jisoo. Out of all the vlogs so far, kasi they have their YouTube channels na, yung kay Jisoo yung pinaka-enjoy ko just because, wala lang, I love her personality. Very candid, tsaka unmanicured. I love this picture though. Pero may hawig si Rosé tsaka si Jisoo dito sa picture na yun. Then we have the photo cards. So naka-mount siya dito sa Born Pink na cardboard. Ayan. Blackpink in your area. I'm not gonna take them off just yet. Pero may lukot yung kay Rosie na photo card. Di ko lang bakit. And then we have the vinyl itself. Ayan. So side A, side B. And then when you open it up, we have of course the vinyl itself. So this is the vinyl. And side A to, side A. And side B. The lyrics there. Pero meron siyang flap here with more inclusions. So this is the poster. Big SM Entertainment levels ng laki ng poster. I get reminded to aim for buying my own place just so I can like frame out yung mga posters natin. But at the same time, I'll probably run out of space anyway. So hindi ko alam kung realistic ba yung goal na buy a place and then mount all my posters. Kasi medyo nag-add up na siya. Alright, envelope. Here, ayan. Pop it open like this. Oh, ha? Stickers! Ayan, love ni Sisam Kami yung mga stickers eh. Pero, ayan. And then we have the photo book! Ewan ko, yung ibang fans like focus sila sa PCs. Pero ako, super love ko yung photo book. So yeah, so that's it muna for our unboxing and I hope to see you soon. Kami, pagaling ka. And yeah, kita-kits very soon. Abangan nyo guys, magkita-kita kami ulit. I'm sure of that. Bye! Ay, bonus pala. Just remembered na meron nga pala ako ng pagsibol kasi meron ako nung unang merch kit. Nila yung nirelease ng pandemic pa. So meron pala akong pagsibol na CD. Kasi yung in-unbox natin last episode is yung photo book version. So, ito yung my CD. Hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan, but let me know sa comments if you're interested na buksan to next time. Gusto ko lang malaman kung may PC to sa loob eh. Tapos tingnan natin kung Venus pa rin tayo. Anyway, that's it. Bye!